Hello, my name is Paula Quenelle, and I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving 2019. I'm from New York State, and I wanted to share my experience with the Spooky Scalar device. I've been using it for a year, trying to improve my 33-year-old fibromyalgia, which is helping to improve my quality of life. I knew it would take a long time, but bit by bit I'm getting stronger. However, recently I discovered an unexpected improvement that I hadn't even noticed before. I've had a toenail fungus that I fought for about 7 years with many different ways, but with no success. And just the other day, I noticed that it was gone. The only thing I've done in the past year is the scalar treatments nightly. Before Spooky2, I tried laser, doctor-prescribed topical treatments, over-the-counter treatments, apple cider vinegar, Vicks Vapor Rub, all kinds of things, but with no success. And I happened to look last week, and I noticed that my toenail was completely clear. I was stunned. I'm not sure how long it took, but it could possibly have been a year. But I know it takes a long time for a nail to grow out. Plus, I also swim at least 3 times a week, which normally keeps the area wet and feeds the fungus. And yet, it's all gone. Yay! I recently posted also on the Spooky2 Facebook site, which you may have seen, that I've also seen big improvements in what I think is my immune system. I used to get bronchitis several times a year, and sometimes it progresses to pneumonia. Since I started Scalar, I haven't had it once. An interesting part is that my sister, who is a total non-believer in anything non-traditional, she's very reluctant, but she finally let me put her in the Scalar field. And now she even asks me for treatments. She also uses my Mirror Mini Magic and finds it really helps her aches and pains and strains, muscle strains. I'm also happy that I chose Spooky2 after researching the Rife-based technologies for a very long time. It just made sense to me. So much thought and customization goes into every Spooky2 invention that I love how each device complements their other devices. I'm looking forward to adding a MirrorMate flash and a Generator X to use and to be able to run frequencies through my Scalar. I'm excited about that possibility. Have you noticed that most other companies that sell Rife and other technologies don't have the customer support, guidance, and collaboration that Spooky2 has? It's really quite amazing. I feel very good about these products, and I love the amazing development and support team members. They're just great.